Senator Pamphilo Lacson is urging his fellow former police chief, Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa, to return to his duties in the Senate.
Kung walang malinaw na may darating na arrest warrant, pumasok na muna siya, sayang din yung boto niya sa mga bills, sa mga resolutions.
De la Rosa has been missing from the Senate since November 2025, following rumors that the International Criminal Court has issued a warrant for his arrest. The warrant is linked to his role in the Duterte administration's war on drugs. According to Lacson, De la Rosa is technically not a wanted person.
Ang problema kasi kay Senator Bato, wala naman tayong official na warrant of arrest coming from the ICC. Kaya, okay, unang-una, it doesn't make sense to me na nagtatago siya. Hindi naman siya wanted eh.
De la Rosa's long absence has left several of his legislative responsibilities hanging. He also failed to defend the 2026 budget of security agencies. Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla claimed that De la Rosa is simply staying in his home province of Davao, where he has been seen just going around on a motorcycle.
You know, if I were with law enforcement, hindi ako magte-telegraph ng mga information kung may intention ako na i-pursue, na hulihin. Unless nagdi-disinformation yung authorities. Alam nila kung nasaan, sinasabi nila kunwari nasa Davao para maging kampante. Ginagawa ko rin yun ng araw.
While Lacson encouraged De la Rosa to surface for work, he admitted he could not tell De la Rosa to surrender to the ICC if a warrant arrives.
Kasi ako, I have no moral ascendancy na sabihin sa kanya mag-turn over sa yung sarili niya. Kasi ako mismo nagtago. Yun ang tinatawag na moral ascendancy. Kasi kung ako noon, hindi ako nagtago at nag-surrender ako, sasabihin ko sa kanya, mag-surrender ka. I cannot tell him that.
Lacson went into hiding in 2010 to avoid arrest for the Nacer Corbito murder case. He was never caught and only returned after the charges were dropped.